It is well said. A person's most useful asset is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others.
Good morning to all the respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, we the students of class 2B2, I got the golden opportunity to present the morning assembly on Be Kind and Spread Happiness. Let's begin this beautiful morning with the blessings of the Almighty. Kindly join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ.
A meaningful life is not about being rich, being popular, being highly educated, or being perfect. It is about being real, being humble, being strong, and being able to share ourselves and touch the lives of others. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramnoor. It was truly inspirational. Now my friends will present a lovely poem in front of you.
I can choose to be kind each and every day. I can choose to be kind to everyone in every way.
When I am kind to others, I make my world a little brighter. When I am kind to others, I make my heart a little lighter. Now let's find out ways to be more compassionate.
What can we do when our friend is sad or our mom is feeling bad? We can show compassion and help them out. Listen to what they are upset about.
Compassion means we lend a hand, we help them out and make them a stand. Showing compassion can be big or small, but it can make us feel really tall. Let's spread some happiness together. Spread the smile of delight. Laugh louder at the moment. Enjoy the fresh breeze that blow towards you. Face the first ray of sunshine, which belong hope each day. Close your eyes, pray for a while. Help needy, but never showcase. Have fun on the streets. Be excited like a little bird. Here we the little IPS present a few ways in which we bring difference in the lives of others in the most unique ways.
Friends, I celebrate the special days at orphanage. These are a part of my extended family and I love all of them. I share the toys, clothes, stationery and some material items with them. I feel so good when they smile.
The most special day of the month is the second Sunday of the month when me and my family visit the old age home. I have 12 grandfathers and 8 grandmothers here. We play, sing songs, dance, exchange sweets and recite stories to each other.
3. You know, friend, my grandmother takes me to a blind school near my house. I get so inspired to see them independent. In spite of their disability, they are so strong. They are so
optimistic, and full of life. I always look forward to spend time with them.
Love and kindness are never wasted. They always make the difference. They bless the one who receives them and they bless with the giver. Thank you. Thank you friends for sharing the amazing ways to celebrate our special day. I just used to celebrate with my family and friends, but from now on, I will spread happiness all around.
Happiness is something if you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. Happiness is something if you give it away, then it comes right back to you. Oh, it's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away, then it comes right back to you. A hug is something if you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. A hug is something if you give it away, then it comes right back to you. Oh, it's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away, then it comes right back to you. Love is something if you give it away. You give it away.